10 lines on my mother. My mother. Number 1. My mother name is Noor. Number 2. She is my best friend. Number 3. She gets up early in the morning. Number 4. She cooks our meals. Number 5. She helps me to do my homework. Number 6. She is very hardworking. Number 7. She eats simple food. Number 8. She is always cheerful. Number 9. She is kind and loving. Number 10. I love my mother very much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.